Hi, I'm Chris Hunt. I'm TDM's Product Design and Engineering Manager. Today, we're going to introduce you to additive manufacturing, or more commonly known as 3D printing. Here's a few examples of the value that 3D printing will lend to your activity. Here's a fully functional gear mechanism that was printed that requires no assembly, as you can see. This allows you to quickly prove out new concepts in a cost-effective manner. Here, we have a sphere ball assembly, which would be impossible to assemble, and a fully functional wrench, both that were 3D printed and again require no assembly. Other value add applications include assembly aids, and what we have here is a drill fixture. This fixture would have required multiple setups to machine away material, which equates to a high amount of cost and timing. We quickly printed and pressed in drill bushings, again reducing cost and timing for this part. A simple application. This is a perfect example of another advantage of 3D printing that TDM has leveraged. What you have here is a carryover commodity we are modifying into a new product variation. This is an assembly drill fixture. By just looking at this part, you can see the multiple machining setups it would take and the time and cost it would take to produce this fixture, machining the material away. On top of this, it is a very lightweight composite fixture for the operator to lift and use. The result? Less cost, less weight, less time getting your product to market, which equals success. The entire process simplified, or basic concept, is to bring your idea or CAD model to a physical property. You start off by exporting your CAD model to an STL file format. Then you do your setup and process your model for an optimal print. TDM supports multiple 3D printing technologies. The one I am showing you here is an FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling. This process extrudes a strand of composite filament to a smaller diameter, the size of your typical thickness of a piece of hair. It prints layer after layer until your part is done. So far, your imagination is your only limitation. It's an exciting time to be an engineer. So if you have any questions or would like to know how my design and engineering team can help you, please contact me. Thank you.